Hello, I'm going to be answering the WAEC 2019 English Language Objective Past Question 23 under Section 4. Now the instruction says, from the words lettered A to D below each of the following sentences, choose the words or group of words that is nearest in meaning to the underlined words as is used in the sentence. The sentence is, here's a man who comes from a background of entertainment, and the underlined word is background. Now, option A is an experience, B, a place, C, a culture, D, a mood. Now, the first thing I will do is to state the meaning of background, and then I will also proceed to state the meaning of each of the options so we can see or pick out the one that is nearest in meaning. Now, background could mean or usually means social heritage, social heritage, and could also mean way of life, social heritage or way of life. Now, an experience is an event, usually an event or activity, performed. An event or an activity performed. A place is best described as an area or location. An area or a location. Now, a culture is best described as a way of life. And then a mood can best be described as an emotional state, an emotional or mental state. Now, we said background is best described as social heritage or way of life, and the word that has that or has the similar meaning is culture, a culture which is also best described as a way of life. Therefore, the correct answer is C, a culture, which is nearest in meaning to the word background. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.